Now, politics over Karnataka bulldozer evictions after the Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan criticized the Congress party. DK Shivkumar, the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister, has hit back at Vijayan, reminding him of unfulfilled promises, saying no promises have been fulfilled by left. Listen in.
Let them do whatever want. You know how to run the administration, you run the administration. It is a state with a good governance. They don't want illegal enforcement. Unnecessary, if they want, let them have those take their people there and let them give them whatever they want. They have not whatever they have promised earlier to the various people, including at the time of disaster. Nothing they have done.
My colleague Neha Bali joins us on the broadcast with the details. And Neha, there's a lot of politics that has played out over the demolition drive in Bengaluru. DK Shivkumar now responding after the Kerala Chief Minister had waded into the controversy. What are the details?
Well, Pratibha, it's an ugly war of words here now between the Congress government in the state and the Kerala government. Of course, we're seeing that right after Pinarayi Vijayan, in fact, passed that remark about Karnataka's demolitions, the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister, not mincing his words, they're very clearly saying that, Kerala should first start taking care of themselves, that the government there was incapable of even taking care of their own or fulfilling promises to their own that they had made during the time of disasters, that they have no business interfering in matters pertaining to Karnataka. Remember, of course, we've also seen a sharp attack now coming in from the BJP over this issue here, saying that a fight between the UDF and LDF in Kerala has now caught Karnataka in the crosshairs. That is unfortunate. We'll, of course, really have to wait and see. One thing that's quite clear is that the war of words between the two states is far from over.
Okay. Neha, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we're shifting our attention to Tamil Nadu now. Remember, the actor turned